In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books. To get started, sign into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be ready to record a new vendor bill properly. This is an important process because entering purchase bills accurately helps you keep your expenses organized, track what you owe to suppliers, and maintain clean financial records. Next, go to the Purchases section and select Bills. This area is where Zoho Books keeps all your vendor bills in one place, making it easier to review, manage, and follow up on unpaid purchases. Now, click the New button and choose Bill. This opens the bill entry form where you'll enter all the purchase details. Take a moment here to make sure you're creating a bill and not a different purchase transaction type, since that affects how the expense is recorded. After that, select a vendor. You can choose an existing vendor from your list or create a new vendor if this is your first time working with them. It's a good idea to keep vendor information consistent so your records stay easy to search later. In the bill number field, enter the vendor's bill number exactly as it appears on their document. This helps with matching records and avoiding duplicate entries. Then select the bill date. This should reflect the actual date shown on the vendor's bill. After that, set the due date based on the payment terms or the deadline provided by the vendor. Now it's time to add the purchased items. In the item table, select each item included in the bill. Once the items are listed, enter the quantity and rate for each one carefully. Accuracy here is important, since even a small mistake can affect your inventory value, expenses, or reporting. If tax applies, choose the appropriate tax rate for the items or the bill. Make sure the selected rate matches the vendor document and your business requirements. Before saving anything, review the subtotal and total amount. This is your chance to confirm that all figures match the bill you received. Double-check the quantities, rates, and taxes to avoid corrections later. If needed, add notes. This can be useful for internal reminders or extra context related to the purchase. You can also attach supporting documents such as receipts or vendor paperwork, so everything stays connected in one record. When everything looks correct, click Save as Draft if you want to review it later, or click Save to finalize the bill. Once saved, confirm that the bill is marked as open, which means it has been recorded and is now awaiting payment. And that's it. Thanks for watching.